Welcome to WealthNest, your home for traders, thinkers, and financial freedom builders. Whether you're just starting out or sharpening your edge, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a powerful insight. Just a quick heads up, all content here is for educational purposes only. Nothing shared is financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk wisely. You've heard it before, echoing through the online trading communities and whispered among aspiring investors. 90% of Forex traders lose money. It's a stark statistic, a cold dose of reality that often gets glossed over in the pursuit of quick riches. But what does that number really mean, especially for those of us trying to navigate the Forex markets here in Kenya? In Kenya, the Forex landscape presents even tougher challenges. The global average doesn't quite capture the nuances of our local market, the specific pressures and pitfalls that Kenyan traders face. We're operating in a unique environment, one that demands a different kind of awareness and strategy. That 90% statistic isn't just a number here, it's personal. It represents real people, our friends, our neighbors, ourselves. It's the story of shattered dreams and financial setbacks that ripple through our communities. It's a weight that many of us carry, often in silence. It's the pressure, the immense pressure to turn a few thousand shillings, often hard-earned and carefully saved, into a life-changing fortune overnight. The allure of quick wealth is strong, especially when faced with economic realities and the desire for a better future. This pressure can lead to impulsive decisions and high-risk trades, often with devastating consequences. The global stats, compiled from traders around the world, simply don't account for our unique hustle culture, the specific economic pressures we face, and the way we approach opportunities. We're a nation of entrepreneurs, always looking for innovative ways to improve our lives, and Forex trading often seems like an accessible path to financial freedom. Nor do those global statistics fully capture the overwhelming flood of misinformation we face daily. Social media is saturated with unrealistic success stories and get-rich-quick schemes, making it difficult to discern genuine opportunities from deceptive traps. This constant barrage of information, often misleading, creates a distorted perception of Forex trading and its potential risks. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal the uncomfortable truths behind why most Kenyan Forex traders ultimately fail, the reasons that contribute to that disheartening 90% statistic. We'll delve into the specific challenges and pitfalls that are unique to our market. More importantly, I'll share practical strategies and insights on how you can break free from this cycle of losses, how you can equip yourself with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the Forex markets successfully and sustainably. We're going to cut through the carefully curated Instagram hype, the flashy lifestyles and unrealistic promises that often lure unsuspecting traders into a false sense of security. We'll expose the tactics used to create this illusion of easy wealth. We'll expose the fake gurus, the self-proclaimed experts who prey on the vulnerable with misleading advertisements and deceptive promises of guaranteed profits. We'll identify the common red flags and equip you with the critical thinking skills to avoid falling victim to these scams. And we'll uncover the various traps that are deliberately set for new and inexperienced traders, designed to exploit their naivety and inexperience. This isn't about assigning blame or pointing fingers, it's not about shaming anyone for their past mistakes. Instead, it's about gaining a deeper understanding of the system itself, the underlying forces that contribute to these high failure rates, and the crucial role that psychology plays in our trading decisions, and ultimately, in our losses. I've been there, trust me. I understand the frustration and the temptation to give up. I've experienced the pain of blown accounts, the crushing disappointment of losing hard-earned capital, and the overwhelming urge to simply quit and walk away from it all. It's a lonely and disheartening place to be. This is the raw, honest, and unfiltered real talk I wish I'd had access to when I was first starting out on my Forex trading journey. The kind of guidance that cuts through the noise and provides genuine support. So, if you're tired of the endless cycle of blowing accounts, if you're struggling to grow your M-Pesa deposit and achieve your financial goals, if you're feeling lost and overwhelmed in the world of Forex trading, then this video is specifically designed for you. Let's get into it, and let's start building a better future, one trade at a time. In Kenya, the spirit of entrepreneurship thrives. Hustle isn't just a word, it's a way of life. It's the driving force behind countless dreams and aspirations, pushing individuals to seek opportunities and create their own paths to success. From bustling markets to innovative startups, the energy of hustle permeates every corner of the nation. So when Forex promises quick riches and instant wealth, it seems to fit right in with this culture. The allure of fast money and financial freedom is a powerful draw, especially in a society where hard work doesn't always guarantee a comfortable life. The idea of bypassing traditional routes and achieving success through smart trading is incredibly appealing. But Forex isn't a side gig or a casual pastime, it's a serious undertaking that requires dedication and expertise. It's a high-skill profession, demanding rigorous study, constant learning, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, despite what the advertisements might suggest. The hype surrounding Forex trading often creates impatience and misinformation, leading many astray. The promise of easy profits fuels unrealistic expectations and encourages reckless behavior. New traders jump in, often without proper knowledge or preparation, lured by the potential for quick gains. They start chasing signals from unverified sources, hoping to strike it rich with minimal effort. And they engage in quick flips, trying to capitalize on short-term market fluctuations. Our inherent street hustle mentality, while admirable in many contexts, often pushes us to take big risks in the Forex market, hoping for a quick score. But the market doesn't reward recklessness, it rewards patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. The biggest hurdle for many aspiring traders? It's shifting from that ingrained hustle mode where quick action is valued above all else, to a learner's mindset, where knowledge and understanding are paramount. If you treat Forex like a hustle, a quick way to make money without putting in the work, you'll likely lose like a gambler, watching your hard-earned capital disappear. The market isn't impressed by hustle or good intentions, it demands skill, knowledge, and a strategic approach. It requires a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. Most traders guess their way through the charts, buying on green candles, panicking on red. That's not trading, it's gambling. A trading plan is your rule book: what to trade, when, and how to enter and exit. Without clear rules, you're just hoping for luck. The market will drain your account if you rely on gut feelings. Write your plan, stick to it, and trade with intention. Overtrading and FOMO. Every trader's nightmare. Lose a trade, you chase losses. See a big move, you jump in late. This is emotional trading, not strategic trading. FOMO makes you believe opportunities are rare, but in Forex, there's always another trade. Patience is your edge. Wait for your setup. Don't let emotions dictate your trades. Missed a move? Another is coming, just like Matatus in Nairobi. Scene transitions. Chasing big wins with huge risks is common here. Professional traders risk 1 to 2% per trade, never more. Risking half your account, 2 losses, and you're out. Small, consistent risk keeps you in the game long enough to learn and win. Longevity beats luck every time. Protect your capital, it's your only tool. Signal groups feel like shortcuts, but copying trades teaches you nothing. You don't know why you're in a trade or when to exit. Relying on others creates dependency and leaves you lost when they disappear. True trading freedom comes from building your own skills. Don't just copy, learn to fish for yourself. Master your own decision-making. Trading is 80% psychology, 20% strategy. Fear, greed, and anger destroy accounts faster than any bad trade. Emotional control is the real holy grail. Recognize your feelings, step away when needed, and follow your rules. Most traders ignore this and keep searching for magic strategies. Master your mind, and you master the market. Stop collecting strategies. Pick one and go deep. Learn its strengths, weaknesses, and when to use it. Backtest, demo, and specialize until you know it inside out. Be a sniper, not a scattergun. Consistency comes from mastery, not variety. Focus leads to confidence and results. Treat Forex like a business, not a hobby. Write a plan. Your goals, strategy, risk rules, and schedule. Let your plan guide every decision. Remove emotion from the process. Print it, read it daily, and stick to it. This document is your roadmap to long-term success. Businesses thrive on structure, so should your trading. Pros always focus intently on risk, not just potential profit. Always know and set your stop-loss well before your take-profit target. Managing risk effectively frees you from fear and ultimately keeps you in the game. Protect your trading capital at all costs. Effective risk management is survival. Most traders never review their trades, they repeat mistakes. A trading journal is your feedback loop. Record every trade, why you took it, how you felt, and the outcome. Review weekly to spot patterns and improve. Journaling turns experience into wisdom. Learn from your own data, not just others. Trading is lonely. Find a serious community, not hype groups. Share analysis, hold each other accountable, and discuss struggles. Respect the process. Mastery takes time, not shortcuts. You wouldn't expect to be a doctor after a few videos. Same with trading. Embrace the journey and give yourself time to grow. Consistency is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're trading Forex in Kenya, you've already taken a significant first step. The world of Forex trading can seem daunting, filled with complex charts and global financial news. But the fact that you're even considering it shows initiative. You're already ahead, most won't even try. Many are intimidated by the perceived risks or lack of understanding. They see it as something reserved for financial experts. But you're here, exploring the possibilities, and that puts you in a different league. But remember, Forex isn't a lottery. It's not a game of chance where you blindly place bets and hope for the best. Thinking of it that way is a surefire path to disappointment. It's a skill. Like any skill, it requires dedication, practice, and a willingness to learn. You need to study the market, understand the economic factors that influence currency values, and develop a trading strategy that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Treat it seriously. Approach Forex trading with the same level of commitment you would give to any other profession or serious endeavor. This isn't a hobby, it's a potential career path, a way to build wealth, but only if you treat it with respect. Build a plan, a detailed roadmap that outlines your trading goals, strategies, and risk management techniques. This plan should be your guide, helping you stay focused and disciplined even when the market is volatile. Manage risk. Protect your capital by setting stop-loss orders and limiting the amount of capital you risk on each trade. Risk management is the cornerstone of successful Forex trading. And master your psychology. Your emotions can be your worst enemy in the Forex market. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive decisions that can wipe out your profits. Learn to control your emotions and stick to your trading plan. Success comes from small, smart decisions, consistent actions taken day after day. It's not about hitting a home run on every trade. It's about consistently making profitable trades over the long term. Every day. Develop a daily routine that includes market analysis, trade planning, and risk management. Consistency is key to building a successful trading career. Discipline beats hype. Ignore the flashy advertisements and get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more real talk and tips for Kenyan traders. We're here to provide you with honest, practical advice that you can use to improve your trading skills. Let's build a community, a supportive network of Kenyan traders who are committed to helping each other succeed. Of skilled, consistent traders. Traders who are not only profitable but also ethical and responsible. Change the narrative. Make Forex about skill, not gambling. Let's show the world that Forex trading in Kenya is about knowledge, strategy, and discipline, not just luck. Commit to your growth, invest in your education, practice your skills, and never stop learning. Comment below, I'm ready to beat the 90% if you're serious. Let's see who's truly dedicated to making a change and achieving success in the Forex market. Let's do this. Thanks for watching today's video on WealthNest. I truly hope you found value in it. So what was your biggest takeaway? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, just smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss the next trading insight, tool, or tip. We're building a focused trading community, one smart decision at a time. WealthNest, build, trade, grow.